Mahindra & Mahindra has announced that it will be recalling 1,577 units of the Thar diesel variant in the country. The company has recalled these vehicles proactively and will inspect and replace the camshaft on the affected vehicles. The diesel variants of the Thar manufactured between the 7th of September and 25th of December 2020 have been affected. The company says that a machine setting error at the supplier's plant on the specific dates may have affected the camshafts in some engines of the diesel Thar. The affected vehicles will be inspected by the company and the subsequent rectification will be made to the SUV free of cost. Mahindra will contact the customers individually so that the cars can be brought to the service station to get them fixed. Tata Motors has officially started accepting pre-bookings for the new Safari for a token amount of 30,000 rupees and has finally announced its launch date as well. The new Tata Safari will go on sale in India on the 22nd of February and the company will also begin deliveries on the same date. The Safari is only available with a diesel engine but will get manual and automatic transmission options at the time of launch. It will be offered in 6 variants: XE, XM, XT, XT Plus, XZ and XZ Plus. It will also get both 6 and 7-seater configurations. Triumph Motorcycles India will launch the Triumph Tiger 850 Sport on the 9th of February 2021. It will be the new entry-level model in the Tiger 900 range. The Tiger has been a popular adventure motorcycle in India and the new base variant of the Tiger 900 has the potential to do well in the country. The Tiger 850 Sport shares the same basic engine as the new Tiger 900, so the 888cc 3-cylinder engine makes 84 brake horsepower while peak torque stands at 82 Nm. The new Tiger 850 Sport gets a comfortable riding position, comes with all LED lighting, a 5-inch full-color TFT screen and 2 riding modes, road and rain, with switchable traction control. Prices for the new adventure motorcycle are expected to begin from 9.5 lakh rupees, making it very competitive.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.